So for this video, we're going to be factoring 10x squared minus 19x plus 6. And we need to remember that factoring is all about distributing and finding the right pairs of numbers that will work. So we're going to set up our two parentheses, and we're going to set up our first two numbers to help find 10x squared. We put 5x in the first parentheses and 2x in the second parentheses. So 5x is going to distribute to 2x, and we're going to get 10x squared. Now to find 19x, minus 19x, we really have to find plus 6. And once we find two numbers that will multiply to positive 6, and then we place them in the right positions in the parentheses, we automatically just get the second number. So here are our possibilities for number 6. 1 times 6, 2 times 3, negative 2 times negative 3, and negative 1 times negative 6. So we're going to try 1 and 6. So 5x plus 1 and 2x plus 6. They're going to distribute, and we're going to get 10x squared plus 30x plus 2x plus 6. But then we realize that's not right. We got the first number and the second number right, but we need to keep in mind that 1 and 6 don't work because it has to be negative. Like, because we need to remember that 1 and 6 will multiply to the third number, but to get the second number, we also add those two numbers together, so it will not work. So we're going to try negative 2 and negative 3. So it's going to be 5 minus 2 and then 2x minus 3. So those are going to distribute. We're going to get 10x2 minus 15x minus 4x plus 6. So, like I said, we got the first number automatically, like when we put 5x and 2x. So we're going to 10x squared. And then to get the third number, like I said, it has to be two numbers that will equal to positive 6. So it'll be negative 2 times negative 3. And that gets it right. Now, what really mattered was it didn't work for 1 and 6 because obviously didn't add right. But it's also they weren't negative. Because when the second number, when it's adding or subtracting to each other, it had to be a negative. It was a negative number, realizing that the numbers were negative. And also, it may come to occurrence that if we swapped negative 3 with negative 2 and made negative 3 into parentheses 1 and negative 2 into parentheses 2, we would have come out with something else. So positioning does matter. If you feel like you have the right numbers, but you got it wrong, switch the numbers around and it might work. Like I said, positioning does matter. So we get 10x squared minus 15x and then minus 4x plus 6. And then when we combine like terms, we get our answer. So our answer is 5x minus 2, 2x minus 3.